In this part, we will make layout for our sign and page using Chakra UI. For the title of the page, let's take the heading component. The wrapper of the page will be the container component. Let's set its maximum width. We will also set the minimum height to 100 VH and center the content vertically and horizontally using Flex. Let's increase the heading size a bit and make it an H1 tag. We will also add a gap property for our wrapper, which will add a margin between elements inside the container. And add vertical padding. As the basis of our login form, we will use the card component. To arrange our elements in a column, we will add a property Flex Direction column. Looks like our container is too big. Let's make it smaller. Now let's add an input. As a wrapper for inputs, we will use the form control component. Let's also add margin between form elements using the flex and gap properties, as we did before. And of course we need a submit button. Add links for future password recovery and registration pages. All components of the Chakra have prop called as, which allows you to replace the final component with your own. For links, we should use the link component from React Router. Thank you for watching. In the next part, we will lay out the registration page. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like and a comment.